stepping back into our exploration of AI, let's take a moment to reflect on the surprisingly human side of these ever-evolving technologies. As they learn to listen, understand, and even respond to our moods and habits, sometimes more accurately than we expect. In this second installment, I'll dive into stories of how AI systems are quietly becoming our companions, predicting the next song we'll love, assisting us in cooking a new recipe, and even suggesting the perfect gift for a friend's birthday. We'll discuss moments when AI seamlessly steps into roles we never anticipated, from protecting endangered wildlife by monitoring their habitats in real time, to helping doctors pinpoint life-saving medical treatments faster than ever. However, as helpful and exciting as these advancements are, we'll also consider the questions they provoke. How do we ensure that AI understands and respects the delicate nuances of human emotions? What do our data trails say about us? And where do we draw the line when convenience meets privacy? By the end of this episode, you'll not only see AI as a powerful tool for tackling life's challenges, but also as a sophisticated reflection of our own hopes, fears, and dreams, reminding us that our choices and values guide the technology we create, shaping tomorrow's possibilities in ways we're only just beginning to imagine.